Most beginning drivers mix up stop and yield signs. You're probably saying, how did they do that? Because they don't understand stop. You have to stop for 3 seconds. Say it with me. 1001, 1002. Stop for 3 seconds, the minimum time. Yield means you slow down and look left and right. If we have a sign and a car comes in does not have a sign, they have the right of way. Wrong way, do not enter. You'll see this on one ways, typically on ramps merging onto the expressway. Railroad crossing. You as a beginning driver have to understand about these things. So if you don't understand signs and signals, you will struggle. This is a whole unit within itself. I'll be putting together some digital products to help you understand. So again, regulatory. Okay, regulatory. Stop signs, warning signs, guide signs. You have to understand these categories if you want to be successful. Warning signs, these signals draw attention to imminent or upcoming danger. Warning signs. Guide signs, these signs inform users of interesting routes, places available. Guide signs.